In this video, we are going to take a look at a large complex of apartments of felt roofs and balconies which have been waterproofed with the Lava 20 system. Here is the before footage and here is the after footage when the Lava 20 liquid rubber waterproofing system was installed. We are going to take a detailed look at the system. The Lava 20 system has many benefits, including the fast and easy application of the system over virtually any surface. It is also extremely easy to do detail work in corners or around awkward areas like pipes or outlets, etc. The system is very tough and extremely durable, so can take impacts from foot traffic, etc. The system is very versatile and can be applied to almost every surface and has superb adhesion. This system is extremely flexible and remains elastic in all temperatures, so it will expand and contract throughout the years. The system is also waterproof and breathable. There is an optional anti-slip finish, and the system comes with a long-lasting 25-year warranty, and it also has BBA and CE certification. As mentioned, the Lava 20 system can be applied on almost every surface once it is structurally sound. Surfaces include bitumen, asphalt and felt or built-up roof, BUR, timber, OSB and WPB plywood, concrete and cementitious surfaces, all metals including lead, steel and zinc, etc. Single ply surfaces including PVC, TPO and EPDM, GRP and fiberglass, asbestos, insulation boards and spray foam, most existing coatings and more. Step 1 is to clean and dry the surface from all algae, debris and dirt using a power washer, etc. Step 2 is priming the entire surface with the Lava 20 Quick Primer. Lightly apply a thin layer of the Lava 20 Quick Primer and allow to dry. Step 3. Waterproofing with Lava 20. Mix your Lava 20 thoroughly and then apply it onto the surface using brushes, rollers or squeegees. For a quick cure option, simply mix in the catalyst. Spread the material onto the felt, applying liberally. Step 4 is to embed your matting into the Lava 20. You can use geotextile matting or chop strand matting. Then apply more Lava 20 over the matting. Again, you can use squeegees or rollers or brushes, etc. Spread the material in and make sure the matting is fully embedded with Lava 20 liquid rubber. As you can see here, the Lava 20 is being worked into the matting, filling all gaps and holes to create one seamless, monolithic, reinforced, liquid waterproofing membrane. Lava 20 is easily spread and applied, making it fast and easy to apply onto all surfaces. To do details, use Lava 20 and polyester reinforcing fabric tape. Apply Lava 20 by brush or roller, embed the matting, and then apply more Lava 20. Details can be used with the Lava 20 matting simply by cutting notches in the bottom and wrapping it around poles, or creating collars, etc. with some matting. Apply Lava 20 followed by matting, again followed by more Lava 20 to complete the reinforcement process. Always apply liberally onto details, ensuring a seamless finish. Another way to reinforce details is to use Lava Detail 20. It is a thick, fibre reinforced, thixotropic material which can be used easily on upstands, outlets, pipes, vents, cracks, etc. It is thick and does not drip, and it also has fibre reinforcement in it. Great for corners, angles, awkward shapes and upstands, etc. Here is the finished Lava 20 roof, waterproofed. So it has been primed, Lava 20 followed by matting, followed by more Lava 20 to complete the waterproofing system. Here's a finished image of the Lava 20, and also the balcony finished with the Lava 20. Dark grey top coat was then applied, followed by quartz for the balcony areas to give an anti-slip finish. As you will see here, the dark grey top coat is being applied, and then granulated quartz is being scattered and thrown onto the wet coating. It is then left to dry before being coated again with another layer of the top coat. You can use the dark grey top coat or any coloured top coat, or also the Lava 20 clear top coat to create a range of different effects. There it is before, here it is after, and there it is finished with an anti-slip surface. Before, waterproofed with Lava 20, and then finished with an anti-slip finish. Here is the roof finished with the dark grey top coat. So the build-up is primer, Lava 20, matting, Lava 20, and then finished with the dark grey top coat. Seamless, tough, durable, long-lasting. There are a range of finishes you can use to create an anti-slip finish. Here is a mist light grey quartz colour. This is a slightly darker colour called gunmetal grey. Here is the steps waterproofed. Here it is with the dark grey top coat. The clear top coat was applied over the quartz to seal it in and create a contrasting, aesthetically pleasing look. Here is the balcony finished, looking very smart, better than ever. To apply the anti-slip top coat, simply lay the Lava 20 clear top coat, followed by any coloured quartz, followed by more clear top coat. Here is the roof before. Here is the apartment blocks before. The felt worn over 20 years of aging from UV, wind and rain, leaking in several places, water, etc. was an issue. Here is the finished job after the Lava 20 system was applied over the entire apartment complex on all 4 blocks. As you can see, it is a brand new, seamless, hard wearing, waterproof and durable system. Lots of details, pipes, vents, outlets, air conditioning units, etc. were present on this roof and made detailing very easy. This is the entire apartment complex completed with the Lava 20 waterproofing system. 25-year warranty, BBA CE certification. For more information, contact Owl Waterproofing Solutions on the details below. info@owlwaterproofing.co.uk or visit us on the website www.owlwaterproofing.co.uk.